Hi, Neal McLaughlin here for another episode of DIY Insurance Claims, your source for everything insurance. I would like to today talk about the unique aspects of an insurance policy or contract. Yes, an insurance policy is a contract, but unlike other contracts you may have previously signed, there are particular aspects of an insurance policy that you're going to need to understand. One of them is the theory of fortuitousness. Fortuitousness means that the insurance company is insuring you for an event that may or may not happen in some future date. If you think about this, you cannot insure a car for rust. Why is that? Because given certain conditions and time, rust is inevitable. It will happen. It's not a happenstance. It's not a fortuitous event, meaning that it may or may not happen. It will absolutely happen. So if you think about this principle and you use my example of rust, rust will never be covered in an insurance policy. Insurance policies will only cover things that may or may not happen in some future date. Thank you. This has been Neal McLaughlin for DIY Insurance Claims. Have a great day.